Are you tired of the heat and looking for a quick solution? You may have seen the buzz around Vital Breeze, a product claiming to be the ultimate portable air conditioner. With flashy ads, glowing headlines, and logos from major networks like ABC, Fox News, and USA Today, it sounds like a dream come true. But is it really? I decided to dig deeper, and here's what I found. Vital Breeze is not a true air conditioner. Despite the claims of instant cooling, whisper quiet operation, and the ability to chill entire rooms or apartments, it's actually just a small fan that blows slightly cooled air using water. There's no refrigerant, no compressor, no real cooling technology. It only works if you're sitting right next to it, and during peak summer, it barely makes a difference. One major red flag is the fake media mentions. The website proudly displays logos of big networks, but after checking, there's no real coverage anywhere. This is a common tactic to build trust and make a product seem credible. Another warning, the unrealistic claims about cooling large spaces. If a tiny fan could actually cool your entire apartment, why would anyone spend money on central air or split AC units? It doesn't add up. What's worse, this product is actually available on Alibaba under multiple names for a fraction of the price. That means Vital Breeze is likely just a rebranded, cheap device being sold with exaggerated promises. And the online reviews, many people report never receiving the product or getting faulty units with no support or refunds. So here's the truth. Vital Breeze is overhyped. It's not a real air conditioner, it won't cool your space effectively, and it relies heavily on deceptive marketing tactics. If you want to stay cool this summer, don't fall for the scam. Do your research and spend your money wisely. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never fall for misleading products again. Stay cool and stay smart.